Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the upload of new contacts from Zoho CRM to the ClickSend email service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho to other systems. For example, in ClickSend, you can add new contacts, set up email campaigns for them, and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Zoho CRM data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next, you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the username and password of the Zoho personal account. You also need to grant ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Zoho account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Zoho CRM data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select ClickSend as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Add contacts. At this stage, you need to connect your ClickSend account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to specify the login and password of your ClickSend personal account. When all required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to select a list in which new contacts will be added with each new contact from Zoho CRM. Next, you see the ClickSend fields to create a new contact. You can assign variables from Zoho CRM to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the necessary variables are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to ClickSend as new contacts for each new contact from Zoho CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ClickSend. After successful sending, go to ClickSend and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the configuration of ClickSend data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.